Keep it going, listen. Do you enjoy getting hot? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories, you know that they're all lies. But as you were, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you wouldn't worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing me right. Who deserves good things, a high to the rain. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, cause love and perfection. Show me a selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. Gabotura. LJ. Whoa, listen. Your true beauty description. You're so good that it hurts. You were down those 99 and I know how it hurts. From your head to the toe. Lyrics is a guy. How your heart to your toes out of the baby, no. Baby, you, what I do, I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman. Katino singa kuyimbira byandala oloza cyane badachya. Naye chikolere Uganda otakali. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Lydia. Yeah. Now that's how you know it's Women's Day. Ooh la la. Style and fashion top tier. See you. Lydia Jazmine. What's the inspiration of this style? What is it called? Does it have a name? Does it? All right, so
the inspiration is one of my fashion icons.
All right. South African.
It's an African designer, though.
With an American touch.
Everybody knows our African designers are basket.
Yeah, all right.
All right. My fashion icon. Today is Women's Day, right?
Oh yeah.
It's the skirt, the silver, everything.
Okay. And I need you with yours, eh? I want to put this down gently. All right. Now 3 questions. Then we give you guys a big announcement. Come over. I don't know if this can reach you. Perfect. Naye buuliza wali wansi obisse omuyimbi. Atona bikoliwa Gaza. Oliwa Gaza. LJ. All right, tubuuze ekibuuzo. All right, I think that leads us to the big announcement because on social media you said you have something coming up, a big concert. So the question we're asking is, venue, why now, how much, and everything. We are telling the people here tonight. Tukulirewe meza. Tell us.
We were supposed to do that announcement after Ramadan.
Ramadan, you went there one.
After Ramadan is when we are releasing all that information. But a clue, I can give a clue. 2024 is Africana.
Yeah, it was Africana.
Africana, and to my understanding, we actually closed Africana. So now, it's a bigger venue than Africana. That's the clue.
Venues in the sing Africana,
Millennium.
Cricket over, Nambole, what do you want? Color sing Africana. Marshall Grounds, the way. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's one of those ones. The question is, why announce now? Why this year? And why so far August?
We marked 2 years. I did my very first maiden concert in 2024, 1st March. So it marks exactly 2 years. It marked on 1st March when I made the official announcement. It was our anniversary, 2 years anniversary. So it was just the perfect date to announce the other concert because me, Gaze, and my team, we're going to do concerts every after 1 year.
Every after 1 year?
Yes, it's not consecutive every year. I feel like artists should give themselves time to produce music, quality music, to push, I feel sometimes we cheat our fans as well. You can't do every year, twice, 2 times, 3 times. For me, I value my fans, I value my craft. I do a lot of, I have quality work. Take my time. I really want to give people the best experience. I want to give them quality music. And I promise if you want Africana, I bet you attended a more organized concert than Africana. Very beautiful, very organized, no chaos, nothing. So this year actually, so we take our time to do even bigger. So we are beating all of that.
Okay.
So I feel like this is the perfect time. We didn't do much because of politics. There were a lot of, that was
Kalulu, then just 1 month.
Yeah, there are 2 reasons. Kalulu, and the other reason is I have a lot of fans in schools, our high school, our university,
on holiday.
On holiday. So 4th September is holiday, second term holiday. Abana bajaba dayo kusomera 15th. So we chose 4th.
All right.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now you guys know. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm taking 2 more questions, all right? Okay.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hope you're good.
I'm good.
Your Shabba's taking the look tonight, yeah?
Thank you.
All right.
What's that word?
So,
Again?
Shabba's taking Oligamites. Oligamites.
Thank you.
I take it. All right. The question is, yeah? We talked about true love. True love is hard to get. That is honestly true. But in your statement, you were like, you never experienced true love.
I said I did.
You did.
Yeah.
So all we want to know is that, who was that? Who was that? Abapangira mwani kemikuna. Who was that?
Yeah. Her mother. Big up on yourself.
Even my mother.
Could be the chibuzo, yeah. Sweetheart, come over. So about the true love issue, yeah? Yeah.
personal.
It's personal.
I really don't want to be.
Mwinayo bwe mumanyi bwe tutamanyi. Ani? Mr. Henry? Naye mwenze ne mmala nkibakolera. Neno night njigalawo. Basina kyenduubirirwa mu nsi. All right, sweetheart, come.
Thank you. Jasmine, you're one of my best artists.
Thank you.
And this being like a women's season, I could call it, can you give us one thing that inspires you or makes you feel like you're now being the woman that you are today?
Oh wow, I love that question. First of all, happy Women's Day. I mean, it's still so. And for me, every day is Women's Day. We're all here because of our woman out there. So actually, your mama, I know mama yabuzala. For me, it makes more reason for mama. So happy Women's Day, and all the ladies who are trying to make it big. Women are now CEOs, women-owned companies, women. Abakazi bakuza amaka. Abakazi, they don't need to be under. Okay. Misleading. But the truth is now, women emancipation.
They don't have to be under men. Okay.
No, I did say that if you're under a man, a very good man at that, a man, a leader, a respectful man, just a man.
Right.
Women's Day. If I told you my journey to where I am now, I think it is entirely, fearlessly and fiercely my power and my energy and apart from God. I can tell you I don't have people behind me like most artists. Like I have a man behind me who built my career. You know, I've been that woman standing by myself. I've fought all these years. But I'm a strong woman, bad woman. I'm a wise woman. I'ma let everybody get to know that. I mean, they know it. Every one of my people are testifying. They've done so much to me down. They've done so much to stop me. They've done it all, I'm telling you. But I've been that woman, I didn't give up. That's the women I want to see today. You have something you're doing out there, not just we have people who are in companies right now.
Anybody.
I want you to be the next CEO of that company.
Oh yes.
I'm talking about strong. For me, this time it was strong. My message was general. Kubanga, even this concert I'm going to do, the first concert, when you are going to disappoint me. We fought, I fought, we did it. This one, actually, I want to show people the real Lydia Jazmine. I won't take it. I do not give up. I believe in myself. I work hard.
Beautiful.
I am not here by mistake. And
Beautiful.
you should be there. You should believe in yourself. You should work.
Beautiful.
Don't wait for a man to put you in that
Beautiful.
position.
Beautiful.
That's all.
All right. Yeah. Well, but there's someone asked me, but does Lydia Jazmine have any plans of giving birth anytime soon?
Who doesn't want to give birth?
So you want to give birth, yeah?
Imagine my coming in
I know, Kakariawo. Hey, come on. Oh, wow.
I told you.
Hey, do you have a plan?
It's just a matter of time.
Any year or?
Yeah, very soon.
Next year. Omushaija aroho omusajja wa.
Honestly, I'm still considering that.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Now, okay.
I love children. You know that I have adopted children. You know that.
Oh yeah, definitely. You pray for children. You love children. Now,
Yeah.
the last question. Anybody with the last question? Anybody? Because we have a surprise for Lydia Jazmine. Yeah, I have a surprise for you. All right. So, there's a hand. Who? Where? Where, Panu? You have a question?
Yeah.
Where? Oh my God, I can't see you.
With the...
Yeah, send it on
Don't
airdrop.
stop Hamkwana. What am you ask?
You also have a question? Yeah, send it on airdrop. Oba Oinagundi Samusa Wanji Bosobola okugaba kamabbe All right, you know, in the one. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Lydia, I want you to sit there and I want to bring you one of your biggest fans in this industry. VP, are you ready? Give me. Hey, church, come on. What are you doing? What we sing? A one, a two, a three, let's go say. Asumina wachana wa muri. Abachana wa muri. Sibana wa mulunga wachana balaba mujirira. Tugane maso. Ya mukaba. A one, a two, a three, let's go say. Abachana tugane. Kale, anywa. Daddy Kawato, Lydia Jazmine, Daddy Kawato, Lydia Jazmine, obusolosolo together. Yola Kawato, Lydia, my superstar, Lydia. Yola Kawato, Yola Kawato, Agambe Lydia, Yola Kawato. Bachani wa famaliwa. What music say? Daddy Kawato, Lydia Jazmine, Daddy Kawato, Lydia Jazmine, Daddy Kawato, Lydia, why Uganda? Together maso. Say, kuba. Amani dia together, kale. Anywa. Big up special master. One. Kuba. Manika, atabuse banan. Atabuse banan. Yoga kiuno. Wachani wakawaliwa. Mzee Kawato. Atukuganda iti wami stikste se bazina. Eyo bohula. Daddy Kawato se bazina. Eyo bohula. Le village rodemu. Awobo. Se bazina. Se awobo hula. Le village rodemu. Awobo hula. Lydia. Mami, tupogalanyo. Lydia Jazmine, tupogalanyo. Atekukosa, tujulenyo. Tugenda kuja. Abagenda kuja kukosa temikono maguru. Tupogalanyo. Thank you. Daddy Kawato, tamuka. Awan, atu, let's go. Anywa. We love you so much. Thanks to wrap up on this one. Thank you so much, Miss Lydia Jazmine. We love you. The band, Baba Singer Bambi. You're the best instrumentalist.